Hi everyone. In this video, we'll solve this problem employee importance. This problem is again dependent on this BFS pattern. So let's see what this problem is. So the problem statement says we are given some data structure which has unique ID, importance value, and its direct subordinates. And we need to return the total importance of an employee. For example, in this case, we have employee 1. Its importance is 5 and it has two subordinates 2 and 3. 2 has importance value of 3, no subordinates. 3 has importance value of 3 and there are no subordinates. And if we start from the employee number 1, how do we get the overall importance, which is 5 plus 3 plus 3, which is 5 plus 3 8 plus 3 11. So let's see how do we do it. First let's let's get, oh man, this thing is not set up. Let's do it in Python. Okay, uh, let me get rid of this. Cool. So let's create a structure from which it's easy to get the employee information based on ID. Let's say I have this graph. Okay, let's say for employee, because I'm getting this in the list representation, so searching list will be difficult. So I say okay, for all the employees, I take it, I put this in my hash, but I'm calling it as a graph. Okay, so this is my employee.id. Okay, and this guy is employee. Let's solve this recursively. First I say okay, return self.importance helper, which takes this graph and id and return me the total importance, right? So let's see, I have my graph, I have my id. I say okay, uh, my total importance is 0 so far, but, or let's say graph at id dot importance, we can get id dot importance. Okay, and now for all the subordinates in graph of id dot subordinates, okay, for each subordinate I add the importance which I get by calling it recursively. So this is some sort of going recursively inside the tree. What we are doing, we can think of it as DFS actually, because we are going down one path first. So I say okay, this is my subordinate. Okay, so we'll return total importance. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, let's submit it. Oh man, something is not defined. I say okay, self. Okay, awesome, it does. But guys, this playlist I'm making is based on BFS, and I've already solved this problem, which is maximum depth of NRI tree, which is dependent on this pattern. But we so what we do is we follow the same routine, same code snippet to get the depth. So this was like what we do is, this is a tree we have of employees. We will travel this entire tree and calculate the total importance following the same code. So let's see how do we do it. Let's pick this, or let's write it from the scratch. So this was the recursive code, this was the DFS solution. Let's write the BFS solution. I say okay, I have a queue which is starting from an ID. Okay, so this is ID from which I need to get the answer. Let's get rid of this part. And what I say is my total. Okay, my total importance so far is 0. Whenever I consume something from the queue, I add the total importance, so which is queue. I don't need to go level by level, I just need to traverse the entire tree going downwards. So what I do is I popped up the first element, which is cur, and I add total importance with the value of what, graph at cur dot importance. Okay, and now for subordinate in graph at current node dot subordinates, I will put this inside the queue. Okay, queue dot append subord. And now once my entire uh, loop is consumed, I have consumed all the nodes, I have consumed all the importance, and I have added it here. So let's see guys if it works. Awesome, it does. So guys, my goal is very clear here. I'm trying to create a setup which we can use for multiple problems in solving BFS, which is like, we create a queue, we start consuming the nodes inside the queue, and get the value which we are of in interest in our search space. So see you guys in next video.